अभी मैं उधर पोस्टर का सामने जाने वाला हूँ, आप उसका बोल लीजिए।
अरे भाई ये क्या है ना,
Everybody is lonely. It's good to travel in a place where there are more people. And you know, when Bengalis are together, they talk. And talking in groups like that is very therapeutic in this time. Thank you very much.
এখানটা চারটা গল্প ডাইভার্স কাইন্ড অফ স্টোরিজ আছে আমার যে সেকশনটা ইটস অ্যাবাউট সেক্সুয়ালিটি সো ইট ডিলস অলসো queer romance but each film has a difference.
Okay. There is a connection between Melbourne and Calcutta, and that is the tram. All the trams that you see in Calcutta or have ever seen in Calcutta, including this one, has actually been manufactured in Melbourne. And so goes for other places as well, like San Francisco, etc., which are famous for trams. So what we did is that we made a movie called My Melbourne, which was helped by 4 directors and storytellers. That is Kabir, Khan, Oner, and Rima Das, and myself. The one that I helped was directed by Arif Ali, and we also mentored local students and young filmmakers in Melbourne. The common theme of that film, or the mnemonic that ties all the stories together, these 4 different stories that we made, they have been tied together by the presence of the tram in Melbourne. So, coming back to Calcutta, to the city from where the producer Meetu Bhaumik also hails, and which is also very close to my heart, and joining in the Kolkata International Film Festival and featuring My Melbourne is like a dream come true, and it's like coming a full circle to again this tram. So there was a time when we were shooting in the tram in Melbourne, and there is a time that we are standing here with all of you shooting publicity in this tram. So please watch My Melbourne at the Kolkata International Film Festival. We've had a great time shooting in Melbourne, and it's always fun to be in Calcutta, of course. And you guys should be fortunate that we get to eat the most delicious food that this country can do. What is the duration of this film? It is the duration of My Melbourne is 2 hours. It is 4 different films tied together by a loose narrative. This is the first time I have worked in an anthology where there are 4 different films. But there is a common connection, and the common connection is Melbourne and also inclusivity. That was the theme for us in the film. I think My Melbourne, you'll see 4 different stories, and you will see that the prime characters of all those stories are going to evolve as the stories go forward. So the story is not just a depiction of a situation, but the evolution of a character. I'm born and brought up in Jamshedpur. Calcutta is the first city. I've grown up looking at places like the Quality Restaurant or Fleury's or the Grand Hotel as the ultimate symbols of class and luxury. When I could afford it, I went inside also, and then I feel that it is the most artistic city in the country. Here the flower decorators, the grill makers, the painters, especially the kumhars, who make the idols, very artistic people. And Calcutta, you can give Calcutta anything and they can tolerate. But they will not tolerate bad film. There was an incident where I almost got run over and killed by a tram also. And also the sound of the tram particularly is very, very nostalgic to me. I've grown up listening to it, and I've been in a tram countless numbers of times. It's never been so empty. I wish it was.
Talking.
Yes.
अरे बेटू डन जस्ट वेट पीछे से हटो ना दादा